Model, 2013 Ford Transit Custom 290 Eco-Tech very tidy genuine low mileage 12-month MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 88,992. MOT, the 14th of February 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in great condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, 2 keys, 12 months MOT, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119